New engines. Bah! Cell 101 was cleaning. He was painted to clean. Cell 101 is bad. Cell 101 was green and is beautiful like a bear. One day, Henry and James are swimming in the fucking trailer but the steam engine was on his railway. But I found these old snails and blue and electrical coaches or trucks. Bah, said the fucking trailer. You must be going somewhere to Boko. Then you will take the coaches. It's so long, beautiful coaches for 711. Oh, yes, sir, said Bear. I'm going to check it out. A few days later, Bear arrived with Boko. 711, said Boko. You beautiful green. And now we need somewhere. I want you to have a birthday card. Happy birthday to look at the card. I wasn't very green. See you tomorrow, said 101, and 701 back. After long, he coupled up with his long coaches. Then he saw a diesel 109 to collect some drugs. Ooh, said Spanker. Said diesel 109 Spanker. They're so really how. Oh, you are really colorful paint. So diesel 109. Be quiet, said 101. I had colorful green. It suits 711 like a bear. You should not be here when your mother was out. The guard blew his whistle, and 711 on bed chopped along with long coaches. 711 back from these beautiful coaches. These are so long. That's so really happy, he said. 711 past Henry. What's that? asked Henry. The bear was green. 711 is green like a bear. Gordon and Thomas are so really safe. When 711 raced over, he was faster. Bear from the past, Gordon. It's long coaches for 701. It was so far. And there was nowhere so full of water. Don't forget the water. The gas. I had trouble soon, said Thomas. He was so really happy. They reached the wrestling stage. All aboard, said 701. I'm color green like a bear. That was so really happy. Now it's ready to go to the Connecticut station. And we'll get back to the Connecticut station. Then he saw James and Gordon arriving at the station. But where's Spankin? Asked James. He takes in a long freight train of trucks and trucks for Spankin. And this long coaches for Bear. 701 Bear. 701. What do you color with green? It was a very special color. And one locomotive that one of the James and Gordon coupled up to the train with his long coaches. Ready, James? Said Gordon. Ready, said James. Off we go. Express coming through. Gordon and James with long coaches. Bear was pleased. 701 Bear was colored in green like a bear. What's wrong? Asked 701's driver. I'm very happy. I had to go home to the shed. And soon that night he came to our shed. All responsible engines do with his special coaches for tomorrow, said Percy. I think it's very nice, said Thomas. Then he saw Donald and Douglas. It's so beautiful. Well, green was a bear, said Donald. I think it's nice, said Douglas, and Donald and Douglas chuckled away. The next morning, Bear coupled up with his long coaches for the train. For Gordon and James. It was Gordon and James with long coaches from Overhaul. Bear shuffled along with his long coaches. They are so really sorry. Over the tunnels and meet with time. Somewhere to be seen with long coaches. And along with his special, Bear was very happy. It was his new engine. 701 Bear was so really happy with his long coaches for James and Gordon. He was coupled up to the train with Overhaul. 701 is a long coaches on a high-speed train, and he was in his longest. actual diesel engine model became from this day when high-speed train was bought. The end.